We are here somewhere in the woods. It's crazy to think that I'm able to access these kinds of places. Matter of fact, I want to go to that place right there. It's a little bit far out, but there's shade. And I bet you the view could also be a little bit different. You could actually see a little bit from over there. I mean, but this right here is a sweet, sweet, sweet view already. So we're gonna spot up on my camping chair, take some pictures, enjoy the view, and smoke some. So we're dealing here with the X106 Fuji. Let's take some landscape pictures of this place. I guess I want to start off with this situation here. We got all these lines from grass and whatever brown it is. So I want to capture that alongside the landscape that we got right here. The problem is we always overexpose these pictures, especially if I'm in the sunlight, because I have a hard time seeing shit. There's a dude right there walking up top. I can't capture him because he's way too far out, but should be good. So like I said, we got the camping chair set up, got the location on lock, we got this tree right here. So it's time to spark up one good up in the wild, bro. Whenever I take, photography, pictures, whenever I take pictures, I feel like I'm fucking shooting something, which is crazy. So I kind of pull back after I snap, It's crazy for me. I mean, it's a different kind of experience, especially for stoned. Oh my god. Straight lines over there. Now we have to climb down this motherfucker. Good luck to us. I must say, this is challenging. The way up was already challenging enough. Do you see how deep this is? I should have used my other shoes for this shit. Now that's the fucking sacrifice. But look at this shit. That was the hardest. That was crazy.